Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're taking a look at the 2025 Nokia 7610, a modern revival of a classic. Nokia is back with a phone that blends nostalgia with fresh technology, giving users something different from the usual slabs of glass. The Nokia 7610 2025 edition keeps the signature teardrop design but refines it with a slimmer and lighter build. The body is crafted from high-quality aluminum and matte-finished polycarbonate, making it both durable and stylish. The device features a compact 4.5-inch OLED display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, perfect for smooth navigation. It's available in classic red and black, along with new colors like midnight blue and forest green. The physical keypad makes a comeback but with modern enhancements, offering haptic feedback and customizable shortcuts. Under the hood, the phone runs on a lightweight but efficient custom OS, optimized for performance and battery life. It's powered by a mid-range Snapdragon chipset, ensuring smooth multitasking and a lag-free experience. There's 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, more than enough for essential apps, music, and photos. While it doesn't run full Android, it supports key apps like WhatsApp, Spotify, and Google Maps. The camera setup is surprisingly strong for a retro-inspired phone. It features a 50MP primary sensor with AI enhancements, allowing for crisp and detailed shots. The front camera is a modest 16MP, ideal for video calls and social media selfies. While it doesn't compete with flagship devices, it's a solid performer for casual photography. Battery life is where Nokia truly shines. The 4500 mAh battery can last up to 3 days on a single charge, thanks to its power-efficient software. It also supports 30W fast charging, so you're never out of power for long. For connectivity, it includes 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, and even NFC for mobile payments. There's a headphone jack, stereo speakers, and an IP67 rating for water and dust resistance. Nokia also added a dedicated button for quick access to AI voice commands. The 2025 Nokia 7610 is for those who want something different. It's not about high-end specs but about practicality, nostalgia, and long battery life. It's a perfect secondary phone or a main device for users who prefer simplicity without sacrificing essential features. If you miss the days of unique phone designs but still need modern conveniences, this might be the phone for you. That's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments if you think this design revival is worth it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more phone content. See you in the next one.